Welcome to Tech Inventor Hub. In this video, we'll learn how to connect and control an LED using Arduino UNO. LED stands for Light Emitting Diode. It is an electronic component that produces light when electrical current flows through it. An LED has two terminals. The longer leg is normally the anode, or positive side, and the shorter leg is the cathode, or negative side. Polarity matters because an LED is a diode. It is designed to allow current mainly in one direction, so reversing it normally prevents it from lighting. An LED has two terminals. The longer leg is normally the anode, or positive side, and the shorter leg is the cathode, or negative side. For a basic Arduino LED experiment, 220 ohms or 330 ohms are commonly used. The resistor limits the current flowing through the LED. Now let's look at the Arduino UNO. These are its digital pins, numbered from 0 to 13. A digital output can produce low or high. On a typical Arduino UNO, low is approximately 0 volts and high is approximately 5 volts. For our first experiment, we'll use digital pin 13 because the Arduino UNO has a built-in indicator LED associated with this pin. Pin 13 is not the only pin that can control an LED. External LEDs can be controlled using other suitable digital output pins by changing the program. The built-in LED is perfect for our first experiment because we don't need an external LED or breadboard to test our program. Now let's open the Arduino IDE and write our first program to control the LED. Inside Setup, pinMode tells the Arduino that digital pin 13 will be used as an output.
The loop function contains instructions that the Arduino repeats continuously while it is running.
To turn the LED on, digitalWrite sets pin 13 to high. Delay 1000 means wait for 1000 milliseconds, that is, 1 second.
Next, digitalWrite sets pin 13 to low, turning the LED off.
We wait another second. Then the loop starts again, creating continuous blinking.
Here is the complete program. The Arduino turns pin 13 on and off every 1 second.
Connect the Arduino UNO to your computer using the USB cable.
Select Arduino UNO as the board and select the correct COM port for your Arduino.
Click Upload. The Arduino IDE will compile the program and transfer it to your Arduino UNO. Now look at the onboard LED marked L. It should turn on for 1 second and off for 1 second.
Now let's connect an external LED using the same digital pin 13.
Connect digital pin 13 to one side of the 220 ohm resistor. Connect the resistor to the LED's longer anode leg and connect the shorter cathode leg to Arduino ground. The complete circuit is pin 13, resistor, LED, and ground. When pin 13 is high, the LED turns on. When pin 13 is low, the LED turns off. Today we learned LED polarity, the current limiting resistor, digital output, pinMode, digitalWrite, delay, and LED connections. This was Arduino Basics number 1. Next, we'll learn how to connect a buzzer. Subscribe to Tech Inventor Hub and keep learning.